Hello everybody, it's Piers from London Learning Consortium here. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to access, sign up for and to make a call using Skype Online. Reason why I'm using Skype Online is because you can use it on any web browser. You don't need to download any apps or programs for your computer, but you can, if you want to, get the Skype programs for your computer or for your mobile phone or tablet if you want to use it. And the process for using Skype is fairly similar if you want to use those, but I'm going to be using Skype Online today. I'm going to be using Google Chrome, but if you want to use different web browsers such as Edge or Firefox or Explorer or any of those, the process is pretty much the same. So yeah, let's get started. Now the easiest way to access Skype Online is first of all to find it just using Google or a search engine. You can go to the Skype website, but the Skype Online feature is a little bit hidden because they want you to download the program, but you don't have to do that. So I'm going to go to my web browser. I've got Google already open here. I've got Chrome, open, and I'm going to search for Skype Online and press enter. Now the first thing that Google sends back is going to be the correct one. So it says Skype Online. Find what Skype can do for you. Okay, let's find out. So I'm going to click on it and it takes me straight to the place I need to. So stay connected anywhere with Skype Online. I'm going to click on Chat Now. Now here, if you already have an Outlook account or a Hotmail account, you can sign straight into Skype. As long as you've got some kind of Microsoft account, you can sign straight into it. If you haven't, say you've got a Gmail account or Yahoo or any other account that's nothing to do with Microsoft, you need to set up your own Microsoft email address in order to access Skype. So I'm going to show you quickly how to do that. So I'm going to set up a whole new email address just to access Skype. What I do recommend is whatever email address you set up, make a note of that and your password so you don't forget it. Okay. So I'm going to click on what says no account, create one, which is what I'm going to do. I'm not going to use phone number. I'm going to use email. So I'm going to say user email. I haven't got one, so I'm going to make one in a second. So it's use your email. And then I'm going to click on what says get a new email address at the bottom here. So now I'm going to try and create my own email address. I'm going to try Piers London Learning 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 at outlook.com. There we go. So that's going to be my new email address. I've written it down. So I'm going to give myself a password quickly. I'm going to make it something that I can remember, but hopefully no one will think about trying to hack. And I'm going to untick this box because I don't want it to have any extra bits and pieces sent to me. But if you do want to have those, useful bits of information and tips and offers, keep that box ticked, but I'm unticking it for now. Click on next. Cool. So now I'm going to enter in my name, Piers Cusi. United Kingdom. I'm going to put in a birthday. I'm not going to put in my real one. You don't need to know how old I am. And for this, in this case, I'm going to note this down just in case they ask me. Obviously, you'll know your own birthdays. So now I need to do this I'm not a robot thing. So I'm going to just type in what I see here. PXYQPL66H. And there we go. So as I'm using a public computer, it says, do you want to stay signed in? I'm going to click on no, but if this is your own computer at home, you can click on yes because you're going to be the only one using it. On a public computer, I'm going to click on no. And it's signing me into Skype. Here we go. So choose your profile picture. I actually suggest doing this only because there are thousands, millions of people using Skype at the moment, and they might have the same name as you. And so for anyone who's using Skype, you want people to be able to find you easily. So I am going to upload a photo so that people can see who they're speaking to. So I clicked on upload image. I'm going to go to pictures and my camera roll. There's some photos I took of myself earlier on today. I'm going to select one of those, click on open, and there we go. I had a little photo of me, so if anyone's looking for me now, they can see who it is. I'm going to click on continue. So here it's going to test audio, it's going to test your microphone and your speakers to make sure that they all work. So first of all I'm going to test my audio. Let's see how that goes. So my speakers are working, so I should be able to hear people. I'm going to try making a free test call. Let's see what happens.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Hi, it's Piers. Just making a quick test call. Thank you. Hi, it's Piers. Just making a quick test call. Thank you. Cool. So after you make a call, often they'll ask you to review how the call was. I don't want to do this right now because I was only a test one, so I'm going to click on cancel. And now I'm going to click on continue again. That seems to work. Let's see if the camera works. Oh, there you go. All working well. Right. So I'm going to click on continue. And then I'm going to click on OK. And there you go. So this is what Skype Online looks like. It's pretty similar to the app if you decide to download that. And also the tablet versions and the phone versions of it as well. Now on the left hand side here, you've got a couple of icons. You have chat, calls, contacts and notifications. Now these are probably the most important parts of Skype here. If you click on chat, normally, because this is a new account, you'd have a list of all the people you talk to running up and down the left hand side here. You'd select someone you want to talk to and you'd start chatting to them. But there's no one there at the moment, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go skip over and I'm going to go contacts. And once clicked on that, it says door plus new contacts. I'm going to add somebody new. So let's see who I can find. I'm going to see if there's a London Learning Consortium account. So I'm going to type in London Learning Consortium, and there we go. So you've got two accounts here. This is how you'd find people normally. I type in their name, and if they have a little photo, that really helps. I mean, obviously this one's quite clear because I can see LLC. I know that's them. I'm going to click on add. Once you've done that, close the box. Now, if I go back to chats, I can click on a new chat. I can do group chat, new chat, private conversation. I'm going to do a new chat. There we go. And it brings up your list of contacts. Now if I wanted to start a conversation with London Learning Consortium, I would click on their icon. And here we go. So now, if I wanted to send a message, I can say send a wave like you would do in Facebook if anyone uses that. And at the bottom here it says type a message. So I can type in, hello, this is Piers. Oh, I made a mistake there. I don't need to have a capital T. I want my spelling, grammar and punctuation to be correct. There we go. Then once I type that, click on the little paper aeroplane and it gets sent to them. So that's how you do a little text message. But you can also do video calls. you do that using the icons at the top right hand corner here. Now I can do video calls, I can also do audio calls. So if you're using something that doesn't have a webcam built into it, you can just do a normal audio call. But for now, we can also do a video call here. So I click on the little camera, and you can see this is what it would look like. We're waiting for someone to pick up. I don't think anyone's going to pick up today. But normally what would happen is the other person would pick up and you'd have a conversation. If there's no one there or you're ready to put the call down, you click on the little red telephone here. And that puts them down, puts the call down. So there you go. You've just made a call and you've put a call down. You've also got this little feature here. Now what this is a paid feature. So you don't have to use it, but this is essentially a web telephone. You can use this to dial in any number and make a call through your computer. But it does cost money, so think about that one. It might be quite useful, but if you don't have to use it, don't have to. You don't have to have someone who's a contact on your Skype. If they're already using Skype, you don't have to use this. This is just for making a regular telephone call, like you would do normally. So it could be useful, but if you don't need to use that, don't bother. And that's it. Hope you found it useful. Take care, everybody. Goodbye.